That's so fast. Oh my god, look at them.
Speeding up the action reveals how these huddles constantly shift and change as each penguin
They
works
literally
its
have
way
to sit there
towards
for like 4 or 5 months. They have no food.
Wait, the men sit on the eggs?
Yeah, the males do. While the females go out and feed for like 4 or 5 months.
Do they bring the men food?
If the huddle breaks, even
After
for
4 or
men,
5 months.
Why do they have to do it for 4 or 5 months without them bringing them food?
Because the journey back to like the sea where they're hunting for food is far away.
Why don't they just have like
This is where they live, but they have to migrate to get to their food.
But the women could bring them food.
No, they can't go back and forth.
it's imperative
It's too
they
far.
reform as quickly as possible.
How can they live
For
for 4
only
months
by
without
acting as
food?
one can the males withstand the elements and protect
That's a
their
good answer to
eggs.
everything.
They have no food and no water either
But their greatest test lies ahead.
in the winter.
As winter advances, frequent
recording
blizzards
me?
drive the temperature down.
Are you lying?
It's now
This
60
makes me really
degrees
uncomfortable.
below zero.
I feel like I'm being watched.
We are being
The
watched.
birds at the edge of the huddle bear the brunt of the 100-mile-an-hour
Good.
I'm mainly doing it for dialogue.
wind.
Okay.
No, seriously, it's one of my assignments for screenwriting to like eavesdrop on a conversation.
So that's like your life.
So just eavesdrop as much as you want. It's actually kind of exciting. That's what I'm doing.
No, but that bit about the whole penguin thing was like
But
perfect.
that bitch, I was like, what? Excuse me? What? What are you talking about? Wait, is
At
this
the north extreme.
Oh no.
I just want to watch
This
penguins.
is where the
for
polar
breakfast.
bears come.
Do you know they eat penguins? What we just watched, they eat them.
Not those penguins.
Well, I'm sure they would if they saw them.
Yeah, if they somehow made it down to Antarctica,
Arctic
then maybe
is
they
a
would.
vast
Polar bears don't live in Antarctica.
surround.
Oh, really?
They live up north in the Arctic.
Cool.
Here, winter is coming.
Only emperor penguins are
But this bleak wilderness
What else was in Antarctica?
remains locked in ice.
lion sea. Well,
Sea lions?
yeah, when I say lion sea, it's sea lions.
Eider ducks break the silence.
And then the whales.
They have stayed here,
Just
braving the
migrate.
northern winter, instead of flying south to warmer climes.
Oh, why would you do that? Go south and
Flocks,
be warm.
40,000 strong, sweep across the frozen
What?
waste.
That's awesome. Look at it.
Wow.
Can I do the sound effects again?
Yes. Okay, so earlier we've decided that we have to like scratch all audio in this DVD, and it has to be instrumentals by Britney, sound effects by Britney, and like.
Like this would be.
Permanent hole in the
Wait,
sky,
I want to mute it. How do I mute it?
throughout the winter by strong ocean currents.
She's gonna mute it.
Oh.
Wait. Matt, they're ducks, right? Wait.
Oh!
Hold on, I can do it. Look, see, he can swim.
Woo!
Whoa.
Swimming. Oh, God damn it.
That penguin is a foul
It's
mouth.
my crab. Get my worms. Look at all these bubbles. Yes, motherfucker. Wait. Dig. God damn these little feet.
Oh, that was perfect.